Hi, I'm Sharon Gould and I'm a managing broker with Coldwell Banker in Sarasota Central. A lot of people ask me why come and work with Coldwell Banker. Well, why don't we hear from some of our agents?
I chose Coldwell Banker because my broker Sharon is a non-compete broker, and as a result of that, that means she has more time for me to train me and answer my questions, and as a new agent that's especially important to me. And then in conjunction with that is all the in-office training that she does and the corporate training. That's what I was looking for, was a good training program, and Coldwell Banker offers that.
Hi, I love working with Sharon because she is knowledgeable, she helps educate us, she's always there to help us, she is technologically advanced, and she's fun to work with.